Right then, so here's my first attempt at making a video for YouTube on a little day trip that me and my mate Danny had out to Rydal waters, sorry. Here's just the first clip of us with a little spot that we found to chill out on. Dead tree in front of us, so it made it hard to see. But we did actually go for a swim in it. It wasn't cold, it was really warm actually. There were loads of people paddleboarding. So just so you can see, this is where Rydal water is in the Lake District. It's just above Windermere. So you went through Windermere to get to it. Pretty nice little spot. Good place for swimming. Loads of people paddleboarding. So I chucked the drone up in the air. And this is just the first couple of shots of it really. So naturally, you fly your drone up after that. Here's just a few more shots that I took up there about this cool wall that I seen. I mean, who builds a wall like that on the side of a mountain? Then you've got Windermere in the distance, and the other side of the valley where you're looking now, there's a cave. The cave that is going to be shown up in a minute. I'll put a few pictures in and then put some tunes on, and you can look at some cool footage that I filmed later on in the day. Nice one.